all you fabulous people out there. I am in bed, kind of just taking it easy, recovering from the cough because I'm still not 100%. And I just filmed a video of my Il Makiage Perfect Shade Foundation that just came in. And I was thinking about other past videos that I've done. And I remembered I did the Space Case in one of my videos, the It's Not Me, It's My Sign Space Case blush. So I did that and I couldn't figure out how to actually work with that product. And it just occurred to me, why not look at the Ipsy site and check it out? So I found this video and now I want to go play with that. Now I'm in bed, I'm going to get up, I'm going to go to the bathroom and play with this because I didn't know how to do that. And apparently you can use it for your lips. Check this out. So this is a space case and 2 ways to wear the shimmery on your cheeks. Look at this. So she's just rubbing that. Tap. What do you tap? And then she's so happy you put it on and on your lips. So you just dab it on and then this is the finish. So let's go try it. Okay, I'm in my Jack and Jill bathroom in my little granny flat house.
And how many bathrooms do I have? I have 4. Technically, I guess I have 5 because I have 2 trailers on the property, and I could use the bathrooms there. And in some of my other videos, you've seen my girly bathroom, you've seen my Oak Park trailer bathroom, and now you've seen this one, which is pretty plain. We used to have racks up here, and I took them out. Anyways, who cares?
So here I have the Space Case. It's Not Me, It's My Sign blush. I couldn't figure out how to work with this before, and I hope that you can see me okay. I can't really do much about it. I'm going to have to go and post editing and try to brighten this up, but hopefully you can see this. So in the tutorial, she's just like rubbing it on here, and I don't really... So this is where I struggled last time, because when I rub it on here, she's like working it in the brush, right? And it's very... I don't even think you could see that. Like you could see the texture of the brush grabbing it, but... And then you tap what? It's not powder, it's cream. So I don't know if I even watched the right video. But so the idea is that you can put this on like that. So I'm still not happy with this one. I'm trying. Plus it's a really light color for my complexion, I think. But it should still work because her complexion was a little bit deeper than mine and it looks really pretty. So I had to like get quite a few swoops there, and I still, in the far mirror over there, I'm beginning to see it. With that, I'll say it looks very smooth and it actually provides some coverage to the underlying red that I had. Far away, I could tell that there's a little bit of like kind of, you could see underneath. And I'm wearing the Il Makiage Perfect Shade Foundation that they keep advertising. I'm going to do this side too. So it's evening out my skin tone and it's a very light, bright pink shade. So, alright, that makes sense. Now I know how to use it. And then the other way to use it was as a lipstick or lip color, and she just dabbed it on. I see it. Just dab it on. That gives you a nice like frosty but kind of matte finish pink lip. I feel like this is very Barbie doll. Yeah, actually I think that's good now that I'm looking at it. I think that I do like this product after all. There's different shades, but like I said, this is It's Not Me, It's My Sign, and it's by Space Case. I like Space Case Cosmetics. I have, as of now, I have this blush, and I have an eyeshadow, and I have something else, and I can't remember what it is, but it's also one of these jars. So thank you for watching, and I posted this one. I actually filmed a video before this, and I'm going to post it up soon. So make sure you like and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Thanks. Bye.